Welcome to Waterfalls Event Center, where elegance meets excellence. As soon as you step through our gates, you're welcomed into a world of class, serenity, and outstanding hospitality. It's not just a venue, it's an experience designed to host the extraordinary. Picture this: lush greenery, well-paved walkways, and a peaceful atmosphere that instantly calms your mind. The setting makes you feel like you've stepped into a quiet resort in the heart of Lagos. Waterfalls is a breath of fresh air. Inside, we have a spacious hall, seating over 500 guests comfortably for conferences, and allows only 500 guests for banquet events. Whether it's a corporate event, ministry program, or celebration, there's room for everyone. Let's talk luxury. Our restrooms are the best in this part of Lagos. Stylish, spacious, sparkling clean, and equipped like you've never seen before. Need to freshen up or get ready for your event? Our changing lounge is cozy, private, and perfect for your quick wardrobe switch or glam up moment. A 40-seater conference room, complete with an inbuilt sound system and projector. Ideal for small trainings, workshops, or brainstorming sessions. And a private executive meeting room for 6 guests, perfect for high-level discussions in comfort and privacy. Prefer an outdoor vibe? Our beautifully landscaped outdoor space seats up to 400 guests. It's perfect for receptions, concerts, and casual hangouts. And yes, it's very affordable too. Don't forget, ample parking space for guests, no stress, no crowding, reliable power supply, on-site support team, and flexible layout options for all event types. Now here's the exciting part for you, our valued staff. Enjoy over 33% discount when you use Waterfalls for ministry or personal events. Bring a client? You get an extra 5% referral bonus just for that. All payments for ministry-related events must go through the official SB payment platform. Simple, secure, and structured. Did you know that over a dozen internal ministry events have already been hosted here, with rave reviews from staff and guests alike? Waterfalls isn't just a venue, it's your ministry's own premium event center. Let's use it, refer it, and benefit from it. Thank you!